Today we'll talk about the HK02 2-port 4K KVM switch's installation. It's the package. Inside is a manual, switcher, 2 latest KVM cables, and a wired desktop controller. This desktop controller is an extension when the switcher is unreachable. This KVM switch is the latest version. It uses 2-in-1 KVM cables. One end is HDMI with USB, the other only HDMI. Now, let's plug one HDMI with USB cable into the first computer. The other cable into the second computer, also the USB connector. This HDMI port is underside, not the same as first one. Plug both KVM cables into switcher. Connect monitor. 1 minute. Now we also plug in USB keyboard and mouse. The symbols for keyboard and mouse are available at the side. It's done now. No AC adapter, no software required. If you want to place the switch further, please plug the desktop controller. You can also plug USB speaker for both computers or U-disc.
This is the 4 ports KVM switch, same installation as the 2 ports KVM switch.